Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers manually in Mailchimp. This is a straightforward process that allows you to build your email list one contact at a time, which is especially useful when you're adding clients, customers, or leads who've given you permission to email them directly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can access your account dashboard smoothly. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side navigation menu. Here you'll see several options for managing your account. Click on Audience. This will expand to show additional options related to managing your email contacts. From the expanded menu, select Audience Dashboard. This is your central hub for viewing and managing all your subscribers. Once you're in the Audience dashboard, look for the Manage Audience drop-down menu near the top of the page. Click on it to reveal more options for audience management. From this drop-down, select Add a Subscriber. This option takes you directly to the form where you'll input your new contact's information. Now you'll see a form with several fields. The most important one is the email address field, which is required. Go ahead and type in the subscriber's email address here. This is the primary identifier Mailchimp uses to track and communicate with your contacts. Below the email field, you'll find optional fields such as first name, last name, and potentially other custom fields you've set up for your audience. Fill in whatever information you have available. Adding names and additional details helps personalize your email campaigns and makes your communications feel more genuine and targeted. Before finalizing, there's a crucial checkbox you need to address. Look for the option that says, "This person gave me permission to email." Check this box to ensure you're complying with anti-spam laws and Mailchimp's terms of service. This step protects both you and your subscribers by confirming that you have consent to add them to your mailing list. Finally, once all the information is entered and you've confirmed permission, click the Add Contact button. This action saves the subscriber to your audience, making them available for your future email campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully added a subscriber manually to your Mailchimp audience, allowing you to grow your email list with contacts who've given you direct permission to reach them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.